So, for the following craft, we will need these materials. We will need one paper cup, poster colors with a brush, and Fevicol or cellophane tape, whichever you have at home, a marker, permanent marker, scissors, and the balloons. Astro Ashikar, that's my first time. And today I'm going to be making Makerspace. I'm going to tell you about a Makerspace project, and I'm going to fast forward how I'm going to do it. So, if you're not familiar with Makerspace, it is a curious curriculum that they teach in our school, shortly CSAID. And we get to choose from 3 things: organic farming, it's design thinking, young entrepreneurship, and Makerspace. And we all have organic farming. Everybody has it. So yep. So I went for Makerspace, and in Makerspace they teach a lot of things. So DT, last year we had DT and young entrepreneurship, but this year the tables have turned. So in 2019 and 2020, I was in DT and Young Entrepreneurship. This year, they have introduced something new, which is Makerspace. So in DT, what happens is basically we will have steps. We'll have steps to solve a problem in the global scale, or any scale that we're taking from. So the first time that we did in DT, we had problems. We had to go and empathize. The first step in doing design thinking is to empathize. We have to empathize. We have to see what are the problems, and we have to question. Then that is the second step. Define. Question what are the problems in the entire world. Then step number 3, you have to ideate. When you have your problem, you have to ideate what can you use as a solution to the problem that you got. And then number 4, you have to prototype. So what idea you got, you have to implement it. Then you have to test. You have to test that prototype that you did. If it doesn't work, you have to go back to the ideate stage, and you'll ideate another idea, prototype, and test. So it comes in a circle like that. If you test it, you can publish it. So this is a clear example of how DT works. And last year we had a problem that moms keep skipping breakfast. So we made a health bar, and we tested it in an open space in somewhere in Chennai, and it was the woman liked the bar, and men wanted to add garlic paste. So yeah, that's how DT works. How to find a solution to a problem by steps. Then the second one is young entrepreneurship. Young entrepreneurship, we learn about different things. Last year and last year, we learned about franchisees and money as well. So that's a cool thing. And this year, they seem to learn about money. I saw it in the timetable. So Makerspace people, they're learning about money. And then DT people, they're learning about step ideate. They're doing that. So in Makerspace, what I'm going to talk about now, we're learning wealth out of waste. So let me just explain this to you. So wealth is something that you get when you work. So gold is wealth, money is wealth, but you can make wealth out of literal waste. So that's what I'm going to show you as an example. So we had some so this was the task for today. We had to go around our house, collect some stuff that we do have in our house, and we have to make an innovative project out of that. So I tried to make dun dun dun. This is what we're gonna do. Dun 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 dun. Drum roll, please. We're gonna make a Megamind, Other people also did very creative stuff. They made lamps, they made an imposter out of Among Us for the people who play Among Us out there. And they also made, like, one person made a flute or something like that. And I made Megamind. So we're gonna learn how to do that. So yeah, let's go into that. Fast forward. I got some water. I got some backup. So I'm just gonna dip it a little, then I'm gonna start painting. So guys, what basically happened right now was I deleted the video that I did the first clip, and the audio that I'm supposed to do was I actually blew up a balloon, and then I tied it, and then I gave it to my dad, and he drew a face, and then we took a cup. And then we painted it fully white, and then I wanted to get some water, so I went and got it, and then I painted 2 dots and then a bow. Just enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm sorry for that wrong edit. Color because I want the color to pop. If you want, you can just cover it fully white, but I'm just going to leave some stains, so it looks good. A little bit more, then we add the water, we mix it all around. So I think I'm done with the white. So yeah, then we begin with the black. So first we take all the white out. I'm just going to make sure I'll open the brush. So this brush is detachable, and I will just clean it. Then put this on. Then we'll start off with the black. Always remember to clean up. Turn the cap on. Then we take this black. Boy. Now I'm gonna dip it in paint, and then I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to just slap this paint on here. Then I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, and yup. I think I'm going to add a little red for decoration. Guys, look at this. I made a cool grey color. And then I'm just going to do that. Now, we take the black out. Make sure we open the cap. Rinse it. Open it. And then I have a testing paper to see if the color goes off. Okay, the color is off. Now let's put the brush back in its place, and let's keep it down. And then let's start off with the last color in the poster colors. It was unintentional, but we can add it. We have some red, just for a little pop of color, you know. A pop of color doesn't hurt. Okay, now we have this. And then I'm just gonna dip. Then we're gonna make a little like board thing. Okay, we're gonna do that, then that. Okay. Okay, I'm done with this, and I think I'm going to add another one. I'm just gonna add another bit of black in the bottom to make it look good. Gucci. Testing paper, and then we take the cap off, rinse it, put it in the testing paper. All good, let's go. Let's add the black, just that much, and then with the cup, and we add it in the middle. Okay, we're done. Do this again, and we do that, then we finish it. So we're done with the poster colors. Let's go to the part. Dun 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 dun. So what I painted here is I just painted it like this. So we're gonna have the head of the Mega Mind over here. So yeah, let's go to the next shot. Boom. So guys, I have this balloon that some funny person drew, which is my dad, obviously. And basically, when we blew the balloon, he put a knot on here, and then we can draw any type of face that we want. I personally went for the big brain Mega Mind, so we are like, eee. So this is the Mega Mind, and the next step, we drew the body, right? Now we have to tape it on here. So yeah, we have to use sellotape or the glue that we had. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'll show you. Guys, this is the final outcome that we got. So how we did this, let's have a recap. We took a balloon, cup, scissors, and tape and glue with a marker, and we turned it into this thing. Isn't it crazy? So this is the step we'll call it. So we will take the balloon, we will blow it, and then we'll tie it, and then we'll make a face on it, like I did, and that my dad did, with my dad's help, obviously. And then I have a cup. We painted the cup white, and then we added 3 dots, and then a bow tie, yes. And then we tape these 2 things together. So those were the steps, and this is wealth out of waste from my Makerspace class. I want to thank my SSFI for organizing this, and I want to say thank you. So yeah, this is Astro Ashikar signing out. Bye bye.